The high-speed strapping machine is a productive solution to most polypropylene strapping tasks. This automatic arch strapping machine features the auto-feeding function that automatically feeds polypropylene strapping to arch and is ready for each application. The auto-positioning system automatically positions and secures the polypropylene strapping efficiently for each cycle. The jam-free feature ejects missed strap cycles and resets the unit. User-friendly controls allow operator to choose between panel-mounted controls, foot pedal, or tabletop ball switch. Portable for convenience. Polypropylene strapping is sold separately. Dispenses 3/8" or 1/2" polypropylene strapping. Up to 30 cycles per minute. Strap tension is adjustable 15 pounds to 150 pounds. Strapping core size is 6 inches to 9 inches. And easy access for reloading strapping.